This is payback from way back. On every one of my videos, there is one person that watches each one of them first. There is one person that leaves a comment on every one of them. And that person deserves a prize. So this goes in the mail today. Be looking for it Monday or Tuesday. Just had a horrible thought. What if instead of opening the package when he gets it, he saves it up till he has 2 or 3 packages and then does like a mail call for everybody? Oh man, that'd be horrible. That was a cop too. He might not have appreciated me holding the phone up. Hit the brakes. See if he comes back. Alright. I guess we start over here. I just had a horrible thought. What if he saves this package up till he gets 2 or 3 of them and does a mail call with 2 or 3 people instead of just me? Because there's no help with doing comparisons, right? Hey, look, this fella gave me a bunch of gold coins. This fella gave me a bunch of silver coins. And then Man Mountain Link gave me this thing. Oh man, that'd be horrible. Well, hopefully he doesn't do that. Please don't do that. I guess we're gonna go to Walgreens. Haven't been there in about a week. But until we get there, here's some sales videos in no particular order for your viewing pleasure. Yep, you're reading that right. Pair of Urban Fit white snakeskin sneakers. Men's size 9. Sold them for $25. Plus shipping on top. I was asking $29.95 and made a guy an offer of $25 and he took it. When I listed that second banana box of puzzles, I put together all the really pretty pictures and made some nice sets. And then there at the end, I had 4 left over. Just kind of ho-hum, blah, kind of what's that, why did I even buy it type puzzles. And of course, they sold first. $18.95. Free shipping. I had 2 left. Now I'm down to just 1. This one's going out today, sold for $25 plus $10 shipping. So if you hear a crunching sound in the background, know what it is. Tanya Huff, Confederation of Valor, the entire story arc. I think there's 7 books here. It may represent 10 different stories. It'll ship for probably the 6-pound rate, depending on if I can find a proper sized box. Sold for $16.99. I couldn't tell you what I got into them. I bought each book individually for myself personally, and they were fairly cheap. At the end, I just added up what I had in them. I'll lose some on fees, but I basically just bought them to read. But sold them for $16.99. Going on to the next person. I never found the correct lot of Sandra Brown books. I took down every book off every shelf off 7 bookcases, and they're not here. I offered the buyer a different set of books and a partial $5 refund. Basically just enough money to cover the shipping. And I wrote a real polite, apologetic, kiss-ass note and asked him if he wanted this or if he'd rather have a refund. And that if he didn't respond within 24 hours, I would understand that to mean that he is requesting me to cancel the sale, which is a sneaky way of being able to, instead of putting I don't have the item or I out of stock, I can put buyer requested to cancel the sale. So anyway, he didn't respond. I thought it was a good deal on these other books, but perhaps he'd already read them. I'm sure he had his heart set on those other ones. I wish I could have sold them to him, but I just couldn't find them. Literally, I tore the place apart. They're not here. I don't know how that listing is even there. I can tell it's an old listing because it doesn't have free shipping. A year ago, I changed all my books to free shipping, and this one still had shipping on top. And I can tell by the background that it's a very old photo. And I'm just wondering how that listing evaded notice all this time. Either way, it was a problem, and it's been solved. We are here at the Walgreens beside the food giant, and we're going to go in and see if we can find something on clearance. Okay, I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. I'm not leaving it for 9 cents. So, yeah, guess I'm buying it. Whoop. So, yeah, those, and those. 9 cents. Looks like it's going to be another one of those days. Not seeing anything new. Not seeing any new prices. We'll look up. I don't have any high hopes, but we'll look it up.
There's a voice. I need to follow it. It's amazing. I love my friend.
$8 a piece. There's 3 of them. 42 cents. Spent $17.80. Saved $151.49. Got all these. And all these. And all these. Hopefully just selling 2 of these will make all my money back. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.
Man, Mountain Link has once again totally outdone himself.